Hi everybody, today we're going to look at the Smart Extreme Collaboration that is now part of Smart Notebook 14 licensing. It's under the add-ons feature, and currently it is offering premium for free, and after 30 days it will bump you down to Extreme Collaboration Basic. And basically the difference between the two is just the number of features that you can have while you're using it. For instance, people sending information can send in multiple texts using images, identify their name, and you can change the ways the input comes in on your page as well. But the basic has plenty of options that will get the job done for most tasks. When you choose from your add-ons Extreme Collaboration, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, and if I want to activate my basics to get out of the free trial phase, I can enter my smart license key there. I can also create a login, which is completely optional, but according to the tab it says I can do further things like make predefined class lists, etc. So if I was to use Extreme Collaboration, basically that will allow me to allow people to send from their computers or other tablet devices information to my screen. Ideas, thoughts, answers to questions, images, things like that. If I was running a training at my job, I could have on the screen right here, please send ideas for professional development. I'm doing this quickly, but again, you get the idea. If I was going to go back to my Extreme Collaboration session now, I can have folks join anonymously or enter their name, and then I can also choose for the names to appear on their answers. I'm just going to keep anonymously set here. So if I wanted to start this Extreme Collaboration session, all I do is hit start at the bottom of my screen. Now you'll notice my session ID number here. This little tab right here blocks that ID. In order to see that ID, I can hit insert QR code right here. And that's going to show me my session ID. And this is what students will need to enter on their device or laptop or whatever they might be using to join this session. They join it by going to send2nb.com. So I'm going to do this from my laptop right now just to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to go to send2nb.com. Then I'm going to enter that session number right there, 294-88814. And again, you can do this from any device. And I'm going to connect. Now this tells me my activity has not started yet, so what I'm going to do back over here, again, I'm shuffling between windows, so it's a little confusing here, but imagine this being on a screen in front of the room on the smartboard and staff using iPhones or iPads to answer this question. I'm going to start my activity. Actually, I want to show you this quick. This is how many messages a user can send. I'm limiting it to 3 for this because I don't want people just to send unlimited amounts of information. I don't want them to have more than just one choice. This will also show me that students, I only have one logged into here, and it's an anonymous person because that's what I put at the previous setting. So let's start this activity. And now if I was over here and I said smartboard training and send that, that's now going to appear on my screen. iPad training. Curriculum. So again, I'm sending answers from my internet window on that side, and because I'm joined to this session, they're showing up on the main screen. So again, envision this being on a smartboard in front of a room of people on iPhones or iPads or any other tablets, sending ideas up to the board from their seats to take part in a collaborative session like that. Over here again, you'll notice Anonymous submitted 3 answers. Now I can stop this activity or pause it. So I just stopped that activity. Now you can go back to this session ID as long as you want, or as long before you stop the session completely. You can go back to it as well. But I'm going to stop that for now because you get the idea. So basically the Extreme Collaboration allows you to collaborate amongst people using different devices who are logged into the same session to share ideas, thoughts, answers, images, and whatnot onto the main screen. It is a great feature now in Notebook 14 that comes with the licensing. Again, it's free for the basic. The premium is a trial period. Once that expires, you will be bumped back down to the basic, which has some features, but just not all of the features of the premium membership. If you go to XCollaboration.com, which is the company, third party that makes this add-on software, and you go to features, you'll be able to see the differences between the basic and the premium. So again, you can decide which one is better for your needs as well. This was a brief look at the XC Collaborative add-on in Smart Notebook 14. I hope you enjoyed watching.